Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's spotlight is on the Tusk LED turn signal kits. Whether you are looking to upgrade the looks of your turn signal, maybe you've gone down and damaged yours, you need to replace them. These are going to save you a lot more money or a lot of money over OEM. Or maybe you want to go from halogen and you want to upgrade to LED, there's going to be a kit for you. The great thing about these kits is that they are bike specific. So you enter the year, make, and model on the product page. And as long as we have a kit for your motorcycle, what that means is that we'll come with everything that you need to get your LED turn signals installed. For example, if you're going from an older bike that's got an older wiring system with halogen bulbs and you're going to need a diode for yours, your kit will come with a diode. If you're going from halogen bulbs to LED and you're going to need a flasher relay, your kit will come with a flasher relay along with the wiring connectors as well. So we just include everything. We've done the research. That way you're not buying these thinking, okay, do I need a flasher relay? Do I need the diode? Is it going to have the wiring? It will come with all of that. Now that being said, we have 5 different kits or styles for you to choose from. And we're going to walk through and talk about those today. I'm going to try and answer some questions you might have. But if I don't answer your questions in this video, please leave those down below and we'll help to get those answered. Last thing too, for some bikes like the 10RA, we will have these plates that will come included just to give you a nice seamless look when you get these installed. Okay, there are 5 different styles. It's totally up to you as the rider which style you like the most. I do want to point out that the first 3 that you see up here are sequential turn signals. Again, that is rider preference. And then the first 2, these have 4 different options to choose from. You're going to have one option that will have daytime running light functionality, and then you also can get these where your rear turn signals can also be brake lights. Or if you want, you can just have them to where they're just standard, where it's just your front and your rear turn signals, nothing else. Here's what you need to know. If your bike came stock with your front turn signals being daytime running lights, it's just going to be direct plug and play. If your bike did not come from the factory with daytime running light functionality, then you will need to tap into a key-on power source for that to work. Same thing goes for the rear. If your bike came with your rear turn signals also being your tail light or your brake light, plug and play. If it didn't, you'll have to tap into a brake wire to get those to work. So just something to remember. But if you have questions, again, leave those down below. We'll help to get those answered. But as I'd mentioned, these kits, they're going to come with 4 turn signals, front and back. What's nice though is that after you have one of these installed, if you do go down, if you do damage one, we do sell these in just packs of 2 to replace those if needed. Questions, comments, leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab yours, to see the different options, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. If you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.